So today's video, I'll be making a video on the laser cat rifle. It has burning, laser break, and wall break. One of the best weapons for 3-cast spamming since it has no input delay, no output delay, and no fixed delay. Sniper with golf capacity of 5, fire rate 73, and mobility of 55. And the gallery is number 905. And since my thumb has like this weird bandage thing, so my gameplay in today's video will be a lot worse. And this weapon deals a ton of damage in almost one shots. I'm pretty sure it's one shot headshot, but for shotty, I'm not quite sure. It's probably a 2-shot. And since it does have a wall break, it will pierce through the target. That's pretty cool. And yeah, first game, team fight, random map, see how it goes. Ah, seriously, red light. Okay, I guess first game will be an Arabian Dust. Uh, 1.9 minutes. Wait, 1 minute and 19 seconds. Oh, come on, I got kicked out. Wait a minute. Hey, I'm home alone. And yeah, Arabian Dust. Like I said. Oh. Oh my god, this weird thumb thing. I die. Bro, this thumb. I'll show you a picture of it. This is what it looks like, and this is what I have to play with, so I have to do this on the screen. So it's gonna be really, really bad. And yeah. Off. And someone's using sock bomber. Gay, man. Bang. Let's go. Nuke kill. And yeah, my aim with this is quite bad. So up. 1 shot. 2 shots. Reload relatively fast. And yeah, I do have the full set effect, and I do believe I made a video on this before, but that's from a long time ago. Oh, I actually got a burning kill. 1 shot burning kill. Oh, come on. Bruh. There you go. So I'm pretty sure 1 shot headshots. Dang it. Can I do this? So shoot once and then go here. Yeah, you can. So you can switch to this and that. Nice. Boom. 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 There you go. Wall break. Bang. Nah. He might be wondering how I got that kill. Huh. Nah. So I'm pretty sure this weapon came out a while ago, and you can get this in the Pixel Pass, store. So that's pretty cool. Oh, come on. Sack bomber. Okay. No one? Okay. Oh. Somebody. There you go. How's that not a headshot, though? Oh. I'm like 100% dead. Yo, I got a double kill. Ain't bad at all. We're leading by 6 kills. Nice. What? Seriously? Was he still spamming? Oh, I hit him. Oh my god. So why is he spamming Conductor Souls? Why? There you go. Again, sock bomber spammers. Gay. 3, 2, 1, and flashbang. Dang it. Dang it, I missed. But yeah, 8 kills, not good, since I missed most of them because of this random, of this banners thing. And yeah, now I'm gonna be putting modules in this. Module combo will be this, and also probably zoom. And yeah, I'm not sure what the zoom level is, but it is relatively long, or big, or dense. Yeah. I do hear someone coming up the lift though. Up. Wait, what is that? Oh my god. Up. I see someone invis. Oh, I hit him. There you go. I was completely guessing where he was. Ah. Revolver sniper rifle. That's a pet. That means he's gone up here at 3. It's up. Okay, wait, or too early. There you go. Don't know why he stood still just now. What? Oh, come on. Let's go. And yeah, I did not do that well. Up. Do you remember there being scope? There you go. Do you remember? Nope, he's no longer there. He's back there. One. Oh. Okay. Oh, I did get a burning kill. Oh. 1 shot, 2 shots. So it's 1 shot, like a wall break, and a normal 1 shot. 1 hit. That's like, okay. Oh. There you go. And come on. 1 shot. 2. Oh. Did I get the burning kill? No, revolver sniper dude. Oh. 1 hit. 2 hit. There you go. I have that task. And yeah, it's honestly pretty good for damage. It's about a 2-shot kill. It's gonna be a 2-shot kill most of the time. Man got electric spell book thing. Up, see someone up there. No, that's a pet. That means he's over there. 1 shot. Okay, he's dead. Yeah, burning. The burning's actually pretty lethal. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I did get him once, and the burning ended him. 1 shot, 2 shot. Over there, 1 shot, 2. Yeah, burning. Let's go. I feel like someone's over there, but no. Someone's a laser attribute. Ah. Okay, this is a pretty good spot. Is there no one that came here? Because when I saw Squidward dude. Yeah, Squidward dude. 1 hit. 2, nope. 1 shot. 2, no. He's dead though, yeah. Although revolver sniper rifle dude stole most of my kills. Again, that could have been my kill. Oh. There you go. Dang, I'm an evil. Actually, no. Pixel gun. Pixel gun? Oh. Die, please. Let's go. Pixel gun kill, bro. Yeah. Okay, 14 kills and 18 kills. Okay. And yeah, final game of today's video will be in minigame, and that actually no, final game of today's video will be me again be cat spamming. And wait, how long has it been? 9 minutes. Guess yeah, 1 more game will work. And up 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Ah, I got a video for off your leader, bruh. They're just chatting, but I'm just up. Lucky green with Eldringling. Ah. Oh yeah, last time when I was doing scopes, last game where I played Pixel Gun, I was just cat spamming. Well, I was just using, worship thing, and I was not recording since I was just practicing my skills with, scope. And yeah, I got 3 up. I got 3 furies. No, not furies, but I got 3 like super insane shots. Super insanely cool like shots. Oh, come on. Ah. Tight. Aw, man. It is really hard to play with this bandage. Ah. Got a nuke right there. I do see you. Boom. Ta, double kill. 1, 2, no. Reload? Can I reload in time? No. Ah. Dead. I'm gonna go back in time. What? Why am I so slow? What? Bruh. Okay, why is there just one people just chatting? There's nobody. Okay, there is someone else that's chatting with him. Oh, I actually hit him. Dang, my aim sucks. I do remember seeing someone right over here chatting. Yep. Okay. I just killed the 2 chatty dudes. The 2 chatting dudes. There you go, headshots. There you go. And back. Nope, miss. Nuke. Okay. My nuke's gonna miss anyways. Ah. I'm gonna do that. I do see you. Nah, ain't no way. Okay. You maybe? There we go. Nice headshots. And yeah, I was gonna put the nuke right there. Okay, there we go. Ah, sock bomber, not bad. But yeah, laser cat rifle, really good for cat spying. Sadly, I do have this weird bandage thing. So yeah, and the zoom is really nice too. It's a pretty decent zoom. And yeah, there's just like 2 dudes that's chatting the entire game. So I got 40 kills. Wow. Nice. And yeah, for this weapon, I'm gonna give it an 7 out of 10. It's really good for cat spying. Sadly, the damage on this is just average. The damage on this is average, but really, it's basically, yeah, it's basically poison darts with a scope and wall break and stuff, so to target, and also laser and a scope, and sniper. You know, no. But yeah, I guess it is pretty similar to poison darts. The thing that made poison darts really good is the poison. This one has burning, and poison darts has no input, output, or fixate, the same as this one. And also, poison darts does not have. Wait, no. Poison darts can one-shot headshot, so can this. And yeah, for this weapon, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10 actually. And yeah, that's about it for today's video. And you can achieve this in this super chest right here, right over there. But I got it from the set events, I think. And yeah, that's about it for today's video, and hope you have a great day.